All right, guys, we're going to talk about correlation and a scatter plot. So the basics, if we look at a graph, and I'm going to be switching in Spanish, guys, from my Spanish speaking class. All right, let's go ahead and let's talk about some basic graphs. So we have a line that goes up and down. This is positive. A line that goes in a downhill direction. This is negative. A line that goes in a straight line is constant. Okay, so esas son las líneas básicas de matemáticas, pero vamos a hablar de scatter plots. So you guys, a scatter plot is a bunch of dots. All right, so a scatter plot is going to look like this. If it's positive, it has dots going uphill. If it's negative, it has dots going downhill. And then we have dots going in a line. So esos van a ser los scatter plots. Es como puntos. Todavía puedes poner la línea. So you guys, I can still put a line uphill, downhill, and straight. Okay. So now there's also another one. So hay positivo, negativo, y constant, pero hay otro. And this is no correlation. Oops. And this is if we have dots that are all random. So no hay una línea que se va a medio. Esos están como todos en todos los lados. It's everywhere, guys. So there's no correlation. There's no real like line I can draw. Up, down, straight. You know, it's just all scattered apart. Okay. So next, we're going to talk about how to read scatter plots in a word problem. All right, so let's say we have some data of the temperature and the water that you drink. So vamos a ver temperatura y la agua que tomas. Right? So let's say we have, if it's 99 degrees, you're going to drink 48 ounces of water. So afuera es 99 y vas a, how do you say drink in Spanish? Tomar 48 onzas de agua. All right. It's 85 degrees, you only drink 27. All right, 97 degrees, and then we have another 48. 75 degrees, and you do 16. And let's keep going. Let's do 92, and then 32. 85, and 25. The last one, 83, and then 20. So what type of a correlation is this? All right, is this going to be positive, negative, or constant? Well, let's make a little scatter plot. This is X, this is Y. All right, this is going to be the water, and this is going to be the temperature. All right, and let's go ahead, let's just break it down. Let's do like 15, oops, sorry, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, all right. On this side, let's start off at like 70, 75, 80, oops, 85, 90, 95, and 100, okay? So if I do 48, which is like over here, let's call this 50 over here. So around 48 is going to be at 99, put a dot. 27, right, just like right here, it's going to be about 85. Again, 48 and 97, so it's a little bit lower. All right, 16 was at 75. Kind of doing this backwards, but it's okay. 32 is at 92 right here. 25 is at 85. And 20 is at 83. Right? So here's my data. What type of a correlation is this? If I look at this, I can draw a line kind of going this direction. A little bit on top, a little bit on bottom. So vamos a hacer una línea aquí en medio de dos puntos, unos arriba, unos abajo, y vamos a ver que ese va a ser una positive correlation, guys. That's going to be positive. So what type of correlation is this? Positive. All right, and all I did was just label them out, right? Label out whatever they said. So you're going to do the same thing like with this right here, guys. Tell me which are these, positives, negatives, or neither. And then right here, the hours slept are on the bottom, and then the test scores are going to be on the top. So it says a history teacher asked her students how many hours of sleep they had the night before a test. The data below shows the number of hours students slept and their scores on the exam. Plot the data on the scatter plot. So you're gonna have to put all these dots here, boom, 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 and then tell me what kind of a correlation we're gonna have. All right, so it's pretty basic, pretty basic. Go ahead and get this done and turn it in.